Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone. Dear all, I hope you all will be good. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. We'll discuss about Oman and VAT, value added tax. Recently, Oman government, His Majesty Sultan Haitham bin Tarak, the King of Oman, they issue a royal decree. They approved that Oman is going to impose VAT, value added tax on next year, and it will start on April 2021. The value is 5%. Like I think couple of years back, UAE imposed that, and before that Bahrain and Saudi Arabia already did, and Oman is the fourth in GCC. They are going to start in April. Lot of items are will be under VAT, but those items which are not included, those services, will share that with you. The rest all will be on under VAT. So basic food stuff, that is excluded from the VAT. There is no tax, there will be no tax on these items. Food stuff. Then the healthcare services, all healthcare services and goods, there is no VAT. Non-development land, like the land which is empty and is not developed, there is no VAT. After that, rescale of real estate. If you are rescaling real estate, there is no VAT. After that, import of medical drugs and medical equipment, medical related, medicines also, and the medical equipment, there will be no VAT. Import of gold, silver and platinum, there will be no VAT. This is good for all those people who are investing in gold. For them, there is no VAT. After that, there is crude oil, crude oil shipping, what we call shipping. Yeah, crude oil transportation, there will be no VAT. After that, there is maritime, air and land, transportation through any way, like by sea, by air, by cargo, but only for food items, goods, crude oil, gas and oil, all these gas oil products, and the passenger, transferring passenger or goods, medical stuff, then the food items and the oil and gas products, there is no VAT. After that, education services. Education services mean there will be stationery also. There will be no VAT on stationery. Then public transport services, all public transport services by air, by sea, by land, there is no VAT. After that, international transport and environment transport of the goods, passenger and import. Earlier also we shared that any type of transferring passenger, goods and all these things by any service, by land, by air or by ship, by sea, there is no VAT. After the supply of the disabled and charity organization, people are sending charity to other countries, or they are bringing from other countries to Oman, there will be no VAT on those services. And also supplies, we are sending supplies for the disabilities. There can be many things which is used by disabled people. There will be no VAT on those items. Financial services, there is no VAT. After that, lease of real estate properties for the residential purpose. If you are renting property like flat, villa or any house, there will be no VAT on those. After that, import of aircraft, rescue ships and auxiliary craft, airline, all those parts which they are bringing. And regarding ships also, there is no VAT on those services. So inshallah khair, I hope things will be good. There will be 5% only. All electronics, those will be expensive because electronics are not included in it. So inshallah khair, electronics are included in it. And nowadays mostly we are using mobile phones, those will be expensive. Each 100 you have to pay 5% extra. So it will be not not much expensive, but there will be difference. Of course we will feel it, but we have to face it, and we have to adopt it. Inshallah khair. Always take care, stay blessed. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.